Wow, I really give this homeowner a lot of credit. As a single mom of four, she wasn't afraid to try epoxying her kitchen island herself. Not once, but twice. But when it was time to call in a professional, she called KCDC Designs. We listened to her vision, focused on the details, and brought it to life. The right way.